After the height, we're going for another SQL statement. When we're going to be getting all tags assigned to this image, select, because we will be using this page for adding as well as editing images. From tags where image equals, and again question mark. Now we get tags equals object db get all this time SQL and record ID as the second parameter. So now we can scroll down a little bit. I'm going to create a few new lines here. First, we're going to put the name of the image. So it's our, which is obviously the caption assigned to it. So echo record caption. Save the file. Now if we go back to our browser, refresh, as you remember after uploading, we've been redirected to the tag page with the ID of 1. If we refresh the page now, you can see that we have the caption which we've put in displayed in our heading. So I applied tags to the image group of friend. So going back after our h1 tag, we're going to start with a div with ID image underscore container. Inside of this image container, we're going to create another div with the ID of image, and style will define width as to be the same as the width of the image. So echo, this is why we actually extracted all this information, width, and px to obviously indicate that it's pixels. Height will be very similar, only height this time. And again, px, semicolon, and we can close our opening div tag, then close the closing div tag obviously as well. And inside of our div image, we're going to create an image tag. So img with the source of, and here we're going to put the echo image underscore dir, semicolon, and closing PHP tag. Width will be the same as we specified for the wrapper, for the div wrapping surrounding the image. The height will be the same as the height of the surrounding div, obviously, which is the original size of the image. And then we have alt tag, which will be the caption. So I'm just going to be simply copying all these things rather than typing this again. And then we can close our image tag. Now that we've got our image, we're going to check if we have any tags. So opening PHP tag, and if isn't empty tags, and then closing the if statement. Inside of this statement, we're going to go for each loop tags as row. Now we are going to be looping through them. So div with the ID view underscore, and we echo row ID. Then we have class tag outline. After the class we have style, and this is where we define the position of the specific div, which will be top. Echo row view top, semicolon left, echo row view left. Okay, now we can close this opening div tag and then closing div tag. One thing obviously I've forgotten is top, we have to put px here as well after all these values. So top so many pixels and left so many pixels as well. So we've got this div. Now we're going for another div with the ID. I'm going to scroll up. Tooltip view underscore, and now the same thing, echo row ID. Then we have a class tag tooltip. I'm going to put this class on a new line. So it's all wrapping a little bit better. Okay, class tooltip. Then we have style. I'm going to copy all these things because it's pretty much the same thing. The only thing is, rather than view, we're going to have tooltip top and tooltip left. Okay, pixels as well. And inside of this tooltip, we're also going to have the labels. So opening PHP tag echo row label, semicolon, closing PHP tag.